So welcome to CodTech IT Solution internship task. I am here to explain how to do this task. Okay. So this is the first page. So going to introduction of CodTech IT Solution. We are the website designers. So I don't want to explain about more about the CodTech IT Solution. So I want to explain about internship task here. So I'm forwarding. So going to Python task. So for example, I am considering Python task 1. So simple calculator. So the steps we are going to do, how to do, we have to just follow these instructions. Like we have to complete 2 tasks that given to you within the deadline. So you have to complete 2 tasks. So just they given 2 tasks. It is very easy task you can do. But the main aim to giving these 2 tasks is simple task is to know the basic skills. Just CodTech IT Solution is trying to check is there a basic skills with you or not. That's it. If you have the basic skill, we can improve in the further placement support. We will give in the further placement support based on this task and based on the task performance. We come to know what is your eligibility or your zone. So you are in the average zone or a greater zone. If you are the greater zone, we will directly give the access of our company placements openings to you. If you are in below the a good zone or average zone, or you are in the red zone, like you do not know how to do this task. Based on this, we will create a section for you also after the task. So complete the task within deadline is important. Based on that only, we come to know your professionalism in this task. So going to the point, you have to post your offer letter in LinkedIn and add this experience in experience dashboard on LinkedIn. So you have to add that experience in your experience dashboard. So for example, I will go for our CEO. Wait a minute, it's taking, it's loading. Yeah. So we are going like this. See. So like this experience, you have to add this chief executive officer, like how our company CEO added his experience to the LinkedIn profile. You can also add this 1 month internship. So don't feel like that this 1 month internship is not useful. See, whether doing nothing or sitting idle in this wall. So try to do something different, like participate in many unpaid internships. It's not, don't worry. So, but what is the main aim of CodTech IT Solution is to know students. If you have the basic knowledge, we can improve in the further sections. So based on the certificate, after getting the certificate, after completing your 1 month internship, we are going to give the free trainings for you guys. So based on your knowledge, we will give the free trainings, and after the trainings, we will hire you for our companies, and also we are tapped with different companies. We also give forward your resume to different companies also. So focus on that. So if you don't know how to add the experience, how to add your experience in this, you can go like this. Here the profile editing. So here basic information, current position, education, contact info. So like this, I think here it is. Phone number, website, URL. I think this is not, I want to go for back. Basic information, current position. So you have to go for the edit intro. In the edit intro, in the basic information, you have to mention your current position. You can add new positions also. It's based on you. So you right now your position is the internship in CodTech IT Solution for 1 month. So you have to mention that in your LinkedIn profile. So that's the part. Second instruction is like that. So you have to go for the offer letter in LinkedIn. You can also post this offer letter in the LinkedIn. So documentation sample will be proved in WhatsApp group. So see for the documentation sample. So what the work you done, you have to create the document sample. So it is not a big matter. Just open your GitHub, create a GitHub account if you do not have. So if you don't know how to do the GitHub account, you can also refer the mentor or the admins of the WhatsApp group, or else you can go for internet and you can come to know how to create the GitHub account. So here itself, I don't want to lag this section. So that's why I'm going to create the GitHub. So already existed a GitHub account. I am going to show how to store our task code, what we written for the task related to that task. We are storing that, and below that, at the readme.me, like a readme.file, we are going to store the documentation. So I will show how to add this documentation to the GitHub account also. So documentation is important because based on your documentation, we come to know your non-tech professional skills, and based on your coding, and also while you're coding, use commenting. It's make us to come to know that your professionalism and your way of your knowledge, everything that. So I'm going to open my GitHub account. So this is my account. So you have to go for new repository. So you have to choose any name. So I am going to give the Python sample. So CodTech Python task. That's it. It is available. Keep it as public, no worries. So you have to create a different repositories for a different task. So it's important to create. So initialize this repository. So add a README file is also important. So we are going to give the documentation content in the README file. So that's it. So click create repository. So I will show that. Before that, I am going to complete this one task like a simple calculator with advanced features. So I already have the code. This is my code. So just open the code tab, like add file, create new file. So like paste that. That's it. So here itself, I do not use any comments, but I will show that it's better to use commenting or writing the code and commenting is important. So I will make it commented for 1 second. Now I will do it like. So I think that it takes more time, but no worries. Yeah, thanks. It's completed. So right now it's good. It's good to look. Commenting is important. If what is the general use of the comments is that like that when someone in the project if they dropped at middle, so if new one take your place, he want to understand where you done and what you done, what the methods you use. So that's why commenting is very important for any engineer or as any coder like that. So this is the code. So after that, just you have to do, just wait for it. I think I don't know what's going on. Yeah, but fine. And then that's now wrappers. So we have to comment this code, commit this code. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I have to name this file, I think. Python, like simple calculator with Python. So simply like this. Now you have to commit changes. Like a standard description, it's needed. If you need, if you can add or no need. But adding everything is important. So now, like you can see your code right now here. So this is the code. So after that, yeah, we will come back or else we'll go back. So there we see already we clicked the readme data file. So we are opening this. So now we have the CodTech task. So see, click this, edit this file. So already CodTech task, it's keep is like that, keep like that. For now, right. The documentation for about task. That's it. Hmm. So it's really important because based on these two knowledges, I will come to know your non-tech in knowledge based on how you are creating your documentation, the style you are using, everything. Okay. So I am trying to copy only a few thing here. I don't want to extend this section anymore. So like that you have to, so the, in my case, I am using like 38, but the documentation should be 500 lines or like 250 to 500 lines. So it is important to be within 250 to 500 lines. Okay. So same the way, by the way, you have to commit changes. Now, no need to extend a description, just commit changes again. So now you can see the both files. So this is the method. So now you have to share. If you want to share this code or anything, see, I copied this. I am going to open a new tab. See, I can open this new tab. See. What the? So wait a minute. I come to know. So just share this code like, yeah, it's okay. Hmm. Go to new tab or else anything. Copy that code. What the code I showed, just copy that. I think this is the public settings. So no need of anything. Yeah. Wait a minute. This is the overall steps. So just copy the code. Just copy that code like HTTPS. Copy URL. And when we show you, when we give the submission link at that time of submission link, we will ask the submit your task link, GitHub link. There itself, you have to copy this. Then we can traverse to the URL and we can come to see your README file and everything. Like your code, and based on that, the process, like after completing the task, you have to say hello for your mentor. He will provide like some kind of things like a non-technicals, like he will give the access for the LinkedIn building profile tools, and not only that, and he will give the task for resume building tools also he will give, and also placement support. So after after getting the place certificate, we will filter. We have many applications. We will filter your work, and based on that work, we will call you and we will engage with you for few days, and we will give some more training to recording that interview, and we will give the placement opportunity. Like we will train you how to attend the placement. Not only that, if you say hello for the hello to your group admins and asking the placement support, they will give the self introduction. You have to create your own self introduction also. So if you are one of the person shortlisted for our placement support, if you are in the placement support, you have to follow like a LinkedIn profile, resume building tools, and you have to create your resume building that looks like professional. So like that. So finally, thank you guys. Thank you for showing interest on CodTech IT Solution internships. So CodTech IT Solution main aim is that we are giving these unpaid internships for 3 days. So based on this knowledge only, we are going to give you a placement support. So remind this and complete the task very well. All the best for everyone. All the best. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.